But today, let's make the unique raw banana balls curry. To make these balls, we need 3 raw bananas, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. This is grated cottage cheese. In Hindi, we say it as paneer. Half a bowl of paneer. 2 very small green chilies, which is finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. Salt to taste. Here I am taking my favorite Saffola Gold. Now from here starts the ingredients to make the curry. Okay, this is 1 large tomato. I have grind it in the mixie and made a tomato puree. If you have a ready-made tomato puree, you can go for that. We need 1 bowl of tomato puree. 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chili paste. Now here comes my favorite, 2.5 tablespoon of cashew nut paste. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 pinch of asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now you know the ingredients that we need to make this wonderful curry. Now first and foremost, we're gonna deal with these bananas. So what we need to do, obviously we need to take this and remove the peel of all the 3 bananas, and we're gonna wash it thoroughly, and then we're gonna cut it into big pieces, okay, and put it in the pressure cooker, wait for the first whistle, and after 1 whistle it will be almost done. Then we're gonna take it out, drain all the water, take it out, mash it nicely, okay, and then we're gonna add the other masalas into that. I'm gonna show you that. Peeling and cutting the raw bananas, actually hands sometimes get a little brownish tint on our hands. So if you want to get rid of that, I'll give you a small tip. Apply a little cooking oil into your hands and then you do it. Then those black things will not come to your hands. We just need to put that much water that it is submerged well, not too much and not very little. Otherwise, if you put very less water, the bananas are gonna stick to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Then we'll close the lid and wait for 1 whistle. Friends, this is how it looks after boiling the raw bananas. So we're gonna nicely mash this. Okay, now our raw banana is nicely mashed. Okay, in this goes the gram flour. Then this is for binding, my dear friends. Okay, then I'm adding the grated cottage cheese, that's paneer. That will give a very good taste to our raw banana balls. Okay, now mix this well. Then add the salt. I'm gonna add half in this and half later on. There goes the green chili and the coriander leaves. Now we're gonna mix it. Like a lemon size. Meanwhile, let's put our wok on the gas stove and heat the oil to fry these raw banana balls. Our oil is getting heated up. It won't come exactly round, I believe, because it's a bit little sticky batter. And after frying, I'm sure it will be awesome. I have got 12 balls over here. In Hindi we call it as kofta. Let's get started. Be careful while frying this. Make it on medium flame now. One side when it is cooked, see? Then it will not be sticky. And then gently turn it. So our koftas are nicely brown in color. And then we repeat the procedure for the remaining one. How beautiful are my koftas, right? See? Perfect. Take 2 large spoons of oil. Add the asafoetida. Then goes our cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Okay, then goes our ginger and green chili paste. Tomato puree. We haven't used any onion and also garlic. If you would have noticed by now, so no onion and no garlic. Now these tomatoes puree has to get cooked. Now I'm adding the remaining salt. And goes our coriander powder and the turmeric powder. Gradually, now you can see the color is changing. Earlier the tomatoes were less red. Now after adding the turmeric and coriander and red chili powder, slowly our gravy color is becoming nice brown. Now I am putting the red chili powder. You will get the aroma of nice masala get nicely, roasted. I am enjoying that fragrance as well as the yummy color of my curry. Now it's time to add the cashew nut paste. I have added the cashew nut paste and then now I am adding two tablespoons of cream. It's a nice fresh cream and we're gonna mix it. See, now I've added water, my dear friends. I have added water, my dear friends, and even these koftas, these raw banana balls, even that will absorb a little bit of curry. So make it to this much consistency, as you can see. Not very watery and not very thick. See? Perfect. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garam masala. We're gonna mix it well after adding the garam masala powder. That will give a nice rich taste. Already the cream, fresh cream and cashew nut will definitely make the curry yummy. And to enhance the masala part, I've added half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now we'll just wait for a few minutes, one boil, and we're gonna turn it off and add the koftas into that. And finally, our curry is boiling now, right? And we're gonna add these koftas into that. Gradually put this. This itself looks awesome, isn't it? Now mix it gently. So our rich raw banana ball curry is ready. You can have it with chapatis or naan or even rice. I'm sure it will be awesome.